Hey guys, welcome to Digit. Today we're going to be unboxing the Sony XB400 Bluetooth extra bass earphones. As you can see, it says it has 15 hours of charge. And if you look around over the other side, on the side of the box, you see it also says that at a 10 minutes charge time, you get about 60 minutes of playback. HD hands-free calling with HD voice assist for both Siri and Google Apps, hybrid silicone rubber earbuds, and also USB Type-C. If you look over to the back of the box, you see the control panel or the remote of the earphones. As normal, the plus and the minus volume button also reduce and increase the volume and change tracks, and we have a multi-functional button in the middle. Apart from that, see nothing more, and let's get to the unboxing. So we have a manual, and apart from that we have an instruction sheet to the working of the product, and we keep this aside, and another instruction sheet which shows how to charge our Bluetooth earphones. And apart from those two, in the box we have a Type-C charger and a few more earbuds. And then last, we have our Bluetooth earphones, the WI XB400. There, unboxed. In front of us we see a neckband style earphone with two modules, one which has a subtle Sony logo on it. On this you have the three buttons, the plus, the minus, and the multifunctioning button. At the back of that you have the mic, and towards the side you have your Type-C charging port. It also comes with a convenient feature of a magnetic lock at the back of the earpods. Well, that's it for the unboxing of the Sony WI XB400. Thank you for watching.